tell us about the most recent book you've read.
This book.
Okay, I'm guessing it's about love.
Right. To be serious, it's about difference,
And what are those differences?
such as a boy's mind is very different with girls' mind. Such as girls would like to say, could you guess? But boys would like to say things directly, but girls would like to let boys to guess.
Very interesting. That's what you want to share. All right. Is there anything else?
I just began the book recently, just get some point. Yes, not too much.
You don't read the whole entire book, you just read
Yeah.
certain parts of it.
Yes. Right.
What do you do to relax? What do you do?
I usually will feel nervous. I usually will pray and sing some songs.
What's your favorite thing to cook? Is it fried chicken? Do you like fried chicken?
Yes, like many Chinese food I like.
I like fried chicken.
Recently, I introduced one book to my aunt. It is very easy to read and it is very valuable. It's called Money Dog. It is a very good book. It describes through stories that mainly talk some mean way to manage money.
Like, comment, and subscribe. Click that bell notification. Follow me on HelloTalk. Follow me on Instagram. Subscribe. Am I finished?